Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's microwave custard. You can buy custard already in a carton cooked in the supermarket. Some are eggnog flavoured, some are brandy flavoured. I even got a gingerbread flavoured custard the other day. But I'm going to show you how to make this very quickly and easily. Kids love custard, it's good for them and it's very easy to do. You can adjust how much sugar is in it. So we have got 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, to which we are adding 3 tablespoons of prepared custard powder. Now, I'm making quite a thick custard because I'll be using it in a recipe, but you can make this thinner if you like. Don't worry about sifting that, just mix it together. We're going to add 2 cups of milk, just with a whisk. It'll mix in very, very easily. And then cook it on full power in the microwave in 1-minute increments, stirring with a silicone spatula after every minute until you reach the desired thickness. Now that's ready to go in the microwave now. 1 minute, full power, give it a stir. It will get a little rim of thickening around the outside edge. Stir that right in with the whisk. Another minute, it'll do the same thing, another minute, and so on until it's really quite thick all the way through. You don't really want it to boil, there's no need for it to do that, so just keep your eye on it. Okay, after 1 minute we're going to give this a good stir and put it back in for another minute. A minute later and this is what you should have. It's really getting quite warm now. The next minute or so it'll start thickening around the edges. Back in for another minute. Okay, after 3 minutes you can start to see it's just starting to thicken a little bit around the edges there. So we'll just stir that all in. It's very quick. You can put this into those little sippy cups for kids to put in their lunch boxes at school. You can add bananas, chocolate, fruit of any sort. Great on ice cream, apple pie and plum pudding. In for another minute. Then you can see it's gone a bit more of an egg yellow around the edges now and it's getting a lot thicker. So just mix that all around. You don't have to stand over a stove and watch this. It's not going to scorch, it's not going to get lumps, and it is not going to boil over or burn. This is the easiest way I know of making custard in a hurry. Another minute. Okay, our custard is done. Look how lovely and thick it is. You have to cool it before you put it in the fridge. When you put it into the fridge, it's going to get really quite thick and you can pour it on top of pastry or tarts and then coat it with your favourite fresh fruits. You can use it right now as it is. I'll show you the pouring consistency. Oh, isn't that lovely? Not a lump in sight. Took about 5 minutes to make. It's ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking's microwave custard using only 3 ingredients. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, don't forget to check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel. And please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. And we have so many pudding recipes that you could use this custard with. You could whip some cream when this is quite cool and fold that whipped cream through for a really light, airy cream filling for things like cream puffs and dolloping on top of apple pie and whatnot. It tastes yummy and I'm going to show you how to make a Manchester tart with that. So adjust the sugar to suit or even put in a sugar substitute if that's the diet that you're following. Have a little taste, shall we? It's like really hot. Yummo. Thanks for watching. Okay, we've just got some of our microwave pudding there and our microwave custard. You can do all of this without heating your kitchen up on Christmas Day. You can make it ahead of time and look at that. Thanks for watching.